Alright, what's up YouTube? Back with another video. Yeah, as you saw in the last video, we had a little problem of something falling off. Yeah, you can see that. Today I'm just gonna see, it doesn't look that worn. I'm just gonna see if everything just fits back on and aligns up properly. Did the best we could to see if we could fix this, because it was a little scraped up from side on the road. So today I'm just gonna see if everything fits, and then we're gonna have to make our own keyway to put back into the crank. But today's video is just pulling the cover down and seeing everything lines back up and bolts back up so we can get the R back on the road. But yeah, I'm praying everything is good. So let's go ahead and go to the car and take that cover off and see if this goes in. But we're just gonna see if it fits fine. It should, I think. It's only like 2 threads that need to be fixed, so as long as it goes in by hand, we should be good to go. All right, let's jack this thing up. Oh, left-handed, one arm only. Doesn't need to come up that much anyways. Was it in gear? I think it is. It was in gear. Okay. So let's turn the wheel this way so we can get that cover. Perfect. Now we just have to take that shield down. Oh god, I can see it. This is scaring me. I don't know if you can see it through there. Yeah, I need to check it and clean it. Oh snap. CV boot doesn't look too good. I mean, not CV boot, power steering. Looks a little gunky. Wow, look at that. How we looking, chat? This is what we're dealing with. It looks fine.
Belt's still good, right?
Yeah, just a little material is on the block, but that's okay. We might need to rebuild the rack or something. That didn't look good. See that, guys? Back there? Or above. Looks kind of wet coming from the power steering rack. Or, yeah, that has to be it, I think. Oh, shoot.
Let's see where we're going.
I think the power steering rack is done too.
Why?
Look. Coming out of the boot.
Look at that. What a save.
Let's go.
Alright, let's get some Loctite. I'll make a freaking
Keyway.
I think a bolt.
We're looking good, guys. Huh? Yeah, I know. We should try a bolt first.
Get it.
Or should we measure that?
No, get a brush.
Yeah, clean all that off.
No, I think this is...
Wow, guys.
Wait, that bolt goes on there so freaking tight.
Yeah, I know, but knowing my luck,
Look,
in my driving.
if this fits in here, we can just cut this off and just use it as... See what I mean? And that's
Yeah.
enough to keep it in there.
Yeah, we could.
I think that'll work.
Yeah, let's do it. You know what they say about us? Cheap dubbing.
Innovative.
All right, we're looking good. Yeah, let's cut that and then clear off the block a little bit. Do you have a brush? There's serpentine belt stuff everywhere. Did you cut it?
Yeah.
Oh, you cut it in
I
it?
have to shave this a little bit, or shave a side of it.
Yeah.
I don't know how deep.
So I guess we'll see. Here, let's get this late. We might be back in action, boys. Don't do this at home, too. If anything, if this motor blows up, I'm just gonna put a 3.6 in it.
See, this, it's not,
What?
I don't think it's flat all the way across. Right?
Try it. It's the only way. Is to see.
Oh. It's on.
It helps it a little bit, right? Yeah.
Mark.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't listen to me, guys.
Put the bolts in. Get some Loctite, put the bolts in.
Oh, yeah. Hold on. We need some Loctite. Yeah, it's never coming off again. Can we use JB Weld?
No.
No, I'm just kidding.
I might have red stuff downstairs.
Whatever the strongest stuff is, because
Cooking fluid.
it does say Volkswagen.
I don't see why it wouldn't work.
Oh, the other one's open. I mean, yeah, we'll just laver the whole bolt with it. Right?
Hey, because you never need to take it off.
Yeah, what size is it?
Unless you need it.
18?
Unless you put a lightweight crank pulley on it.
Nah, I'd rather keep the dampener one. What size is it?
No, it's a big 24 or something like that.
Look at the BBSs though. Alright. Got the battery. We might have to submerge it in Loctite.
No, this is fine. I think he took it off
Yeah, he
and
had
didn't
to.
put it back tight enough.
That's insane. I'm more shocked that it took this long for it to fall off and like... Oh, Oh, okay. Damn, I drove this to school everywhere.
All right, now put it in gear and hold the brake.
Gotta love it, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it in 6. All right. Yeah, clutch is out. Chat, do you think that's good enough? You said it's good. Oh, God. I don't stream. Out with the old. For sale, $300. In with the new. Oh wait, hold on. Maybe it's not new. It's missing this side too. Oh, this is all rigged. It looks cleaner though. All right, so it's tight.
Yeah, the crank bolt, yeah.
Yeah. All right, if you say so.
If I can get it.
Yeah, I mean, what it looked like too, there was no Loctite on it.
No, there's nothing.
Yeah. Watch it not squeak anymore.
No, it probably won't. That thing is freaking come off.
Oh wait, hold on. This isn't on.
Oops.
It's all smooth.
Before you track it again, I would buy a new belt.
Well, I'm gonna have to buy a new belt. It's mangled,
Yeah.
just for now. Just have something on there and drive it.
You need to put some coolant in there, some water.
All right, let's see. Let's go, guys.
How we looking? Good. Get on there.
Yeah,
That's fine.
Would you look at that?
The belt tie squeaks because
It's half like corn.
yeah.
Yeah, she's good. We might be good. I guess now we can actually go test out the Haldex controller again and not have a crank pulley fall off. Cars, man, cars. Yeah, let's put everything back on, drop it down, and then go for a drive, I guess. So stay tuned. All right, good to go. It still is squeaking a little bit. I think the tensioner is a little bit off, or it's the belt. Both of them are needed to be replaced, I want to say. Filled up power steering, filled up coolant, so knock on wood, we should be good to go, hopefully. I'm gonna go get gas because it needs gas. So it did get up close to the red, but it didn't, because I think you guys can hear me, but I totally forgot that the serpentine belt runs the water pump, and I was just being a blockhead. But bolts back in, Loctite, made our own keyway with the bolt. I'm probably really goofy with the GoPro on my head. Going to get gas. Hoping it didn't like warp the head or anything, but I don't think so, because it was like a minute of driving. All right, hopefully this is straight for you guys. Got gas. I'm gonna test this out again. I'm kind of nervous because of what happened last time. Lost the crank pulley, but I think this time should be good, and the Haldex should be good this time too. I updated it on the software from the guy, so I think it should be all right now. Knock on wood. Put it in the other mode. All right, it's on the blue mode, so that means it is 50-50 right now. It's definitely 50-50. Huge. this. Yeah, I hope you guys like this quick short video that I made. I'm more happy that we got the car going, and crank pulley and all that was good, and that's good to go. I guess now it's either the power steering rack or the pulley, but like I showed you guys earlier in the video, there was fluid coming out of the boot from the power steering rack, so I'm afraid that might be gone, which will suck. So I'll have to replace that. I have to pull the trans anyways because there is a small leak coming from the trans, so I think it's like the inner seal behind the throwout bearing, but I'll do throwout bearing while I'm at it and that seal. And then I guess now I got to fix the power steering rack, I think. But I mean, that's the life of having a race car. And honestly, I can't really complain because in the past, whenever we got it, I think it was like 3 years ago, we really haven't done anything. All we've done is a clutch and Porsche brakes, and not even suspension, and just wheels and tires and just pads, like, and seats. Like, that's really all we've done. Like, we haven't done really any maintenance at all because it's a VR6. You don't have to do just oil, fluids, and all that. Like, haven't had to replace really bushings, but I think now it's all catching up. So I mean, it's a 25, almost 25 years old car, so I mean, it's now time to do everything. So there's some stuff we got to do before the next track day, and I want it to be fully 100%, and I want to knock all this stuff out because I mean, it's due for everything that it needs. So I'll have to make a list and see what else I need to do, but obviously maintenance wise first is get the power steering stuff figured out, because once that's good, then the rest of the car is good. Because honestly, I'm probably just repeating myself at this point, but what I think just needs to be done is suspension, bushings probably, fluids, oil for sure for the engine, and then the power steering, fix that. And then I just need to, I'm debating right now, if I do Hawk DTC 70 pads or if I stick with the DT60s. I have the stocks in here for now. Obviously, I'm not running them with the race pads, but debating if I keep those and then do brake ducts, which I'm definitely going to do brake ducts. I think I can do like the RS3 or some Porsche kind that I can put on the control arm, and that will be good. So I'm definitely doing that later down the line this year, because that would be a good efficient mod, because obviously you can tell them Johns got really hot. Melted the paint, but obviously the guy didn't use high temp paint, but still they definitely got hot, so they need to be, I need some brake ducts or something in there. Rears are fine, just using EBC yellows. I mean, not much really you need in the rear. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. There's more stuff to come on the R, a lot more. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching, and check out all the videos that I've done on the R. I really appreciate it, and like and give me a sub. Catch you on the next one. Peace.